Hi, welcome back to Rose and Free Gift Friday, where I showcase 5 of the most recent purchases I've received through NewBeauty's Free Gift Friday program, which is an awesome program where you're given the chance to try out different products by only paying shipping. So here I have a combination of hair care, body care, and skincare from some really great brands, and I can't wait to show you what I have. So go ahead and pour yourself your favorite beverage and let me show you what's inside. Cheers! I will say I haven't been purchasing everything that NewBeauty has been sending me texts about, so it has taken me a little bit longer to create this haul. But that being said, I was really excited about what I did in fact purchase. So first off, I have from Amoeba, this is a multi-potent serum with malvonic acid, bakuchiol, and lactic acid. Bakuchiol is a plant-based retinol alternative, and lactic acid is an alpha hydroxy acid. So this is going to be really great day or night, but I will probably use this as a night serum, kind of when I get into my exfoliating night, because this can help with dead skin cells. It can help with the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and kind of just renewing skin. And one of the things I love about this is it's one of these reusable bottles where this part actually can come off. You have this, and then you can just buy the refills. Now this product values for $75, but the refill is $45. So it's really a great deal if you want to kind of keep the glass jar. I also got from Obagi, this is their Hydrate Facial Moisturizer. So this one is interesting because this has tara seed, which is known to gradually deliver moisture to the skin. It also has shea butter, mango butter, avocado, and glycerin to kind of help combat skin dryness and prevent water loss. So this is also a morning and evening, just kind of a light moisturizer. And this value is $58. Next, I have from Neostrata, this is Resurface. This is a nice full-size cream, skin texture and clarity. This is an advanced AHA exfoliator. So because this has 15% glycolic acid, anytime that you're using an alpha hydroxy acid, you're increasing the chance of sunburn. So you're going to want to apply SPF all over your body. This is something that can be applied to your face, hands, and or body once daily. It can help with the bumps on your skin like keratosis pilaris, also known as chicken skin. It also can help with uneven tone, fine lines, and roughness. But because it's 15%, that's a little high, so I probably would aim for kind of starting with my body, maybe my elbows, my knees, versus putting on my face. 15% is pretty high, so I would say this is more of an advanced alpha hydroxy acid. That being said, it can really help with dead skin cells and with renewal, so that's great. Let's see. Also, what I love about Free Gift Friday is you get the option to try products by paying a small amount kind of as an add-on, and this is one of those. So this is from CLE Cosmetics. This is a firming and lifting mist. So it's a tightening facial toner. You're supposed to apply, just spray a few, I don't know if you could see, pretty light. Smells nice, doesn't have that much of a smell, but one of the most interesting things I found about this and why I got it is it has snow mushroom. And so snow mushroom is supposed to help deliver moisture to the skin, prevent moisture loss. It does have fine particles, so it's really going to get in there. And it is a plant-based alternative to hyaluronic acid, and it can also help reduce inflammation. So I love these kind of mists kind of to put on in the morning. And the fact that it's lifting, toning, and has kind of a radiant finish is nice. And that was an add-on. Next, I also have from Necessaire, I have a scalp serum. This is going to be for your hair. It's going to help prevent hair loss. Let's see if I can pronounce this. A biomeptic peptide, which is a synthetic peptide, and it's going to stimulate the production of new capillaries in your scalp to kind of help the new capillaries form an increased hair growth. It also has hyaluronic acid, so it's going to make sure that your scalp still has the necessary hydration. And the nice thing about this is you can apply it to either dry or damp hair and it won't make your hair look greasy. So it's a nice size tube. And this value was $90. And I forgot to say, this one was $42, and I paid $12.95 for this one. And then I have a travel kit from NewLastin. This value, $99. Great thing about this is it has all these travel size products, but kind of in more of a deluxe format, I would say, because sometimes you get some travel kits or some travel sizes and they're really small. They're only good for a few uses. This one, actually, they're pretty nice sizes. So this is the Gentle Exfoliating Cleanser. This is an intensive hydrating serum. I also have a rejuvenating facial moisturizer. All of these are going to help with skin elasticity, collagen production, so very anti-aging focused. And then for your lips, there is a natural lip balm. And then last but not least, a scalp treatment. NewLastin, this is an elastin replenishment. It's going to promote stronger, thicker, more resilient hair, and it's going to help with hair color restoration cells if you're someone who colors their hair. And it comes in one of these travel bags, which, not that I really need another cosmetic bag, but it's nice to have. So that's really great. This value is $99, and I did pay the $12.95 for it. And I have one more add-on, and I'm actually really excited about this. So this one value is $25, and I paid $9.95, and it's from Dieu. It's the Forever Eye Mask. This is the Eye Reviver, and these are so cool. These are reusable eye patches. So a lot of times I'm using eye masks when I'm trying to get ready or I'm looking super tired. I also use them in between getting ready to kind of prevent makeup fallout. So I'll put them on as I'm kind of getting the rest of my face ready. What I love about these is you can use them with your own eye gel, serum, cream, mask, whatever you want to do. They come with this silicone or this plastic sheet to kind of protect them. They come off, and what you're supposed to do is apply your favorite eye product, wait about 10-20 seconds till it gets tacky, and then you put this on over top of it and you keep it on for 10 to 20 minutes. So we are really helping the environment here by not using those single-use ones. And the other great thing is you can really customize what eye treatment you want to do. These are supposed to last pretty much forever as long as you take care of them. You're going to want to clean them right away after you use them, get the product off, maybe a little gentle hand soap, and then dry them and then put them back on the plastic sheet. But the reason I'm so excited about this is I love a good eye mask, but sometimes I also wonder about how great the actual ingredients are in some of those, you know, kind of disposable eye masks. So this way I can kind of say, oh, I want to work on brightening, I want to work on plumping, I want something with retinol, and I can use my own with this. So another great Free Gift Friday haul. I paid about $88 for all of these products, and the value I want to say is around like $450. So over 400%, definitely meets the mark. And that's one great thing I just love about this is it really gives you the chance to try all these products that you normally wouldn't buy, and just such a great value. So thank you so much for watching. Please comment down below and let me know what else you'd like to see me open. Also tell me if you're a fan of Free Gift Friday, if you're interested in trying it, and if you have any questions for me. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and watch my latest video. I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you. Bye.